everyone, here's a rendition of the Duck Song by William Shatner.
The settings menu is pretty hip, Daddy-O. Have you checked it out yet?
I'm really glad the narrator interjected with this.
Look, it's important information. We needed to know.
Yeah, it's like here, I'm about to sing the Duck Song. The narrator's like, hey, let's talk about the settings menu here.
I'm using tilt controls.
Welcome to Use Your Words, everybody.
And now, it's time to
I love this fucking game.
Your words. Ah, the glory of the silver screen. Let's throw it in the garbage, shall we? It's
I don't want to throw
That
it in the
screen is sober as fuck.
You're about to see a subtitled film clip that's missing a subtitle. The subtitle will be filled in by you.
Me?
Get ready. The clip will play twice. Now, for our feature
technically you is in
presentation.
quotes, so we're supposed to put you exclamation point.
벼슬이든 재물이든 내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은 소신 혼자의 공로가 아니라 벼슬이든 재물이든 내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은 소신 혼자의 공로가 아니라
Ethan, why do I feel like you and I played the exact same answer? That would be very funny if we did.
Let's find out.
ready. Here's what you came up with.
벼슬이든 재물이든 내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은
Gotta be
소신
great.
혼자의 공로가 아니라
And Danny Waddle the way.
벼슬이든 재물이든 내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은 소신 혼자의 공로가 아니라 벼슬이든 재물이든 내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은 소신 혼자의
the-
공로가 아니라
Okay.
Yes,
벼슬이든 재물이든
please.
내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은
I wish for infinite wishes. Hey.
I know what that
벼슬이든 재물이든 내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나 이번 일은
Someone to assemble
소신
my
혼자의
IKEA
공로가
furniture.
아니라
House answer?
벼슬이든
Either that or
재물이든
infinite wishes.
내가 바라는 바를 정하여라. 하오나
One could be a
이번 일은
decoy.
혼자의 공로가 아니라
You may have noticed that
Just the clock.
we always
It's just the
house answers. If you press the house decoy button, you get to use one of the house
You don't understand. I can give you anything. You can just
Watch
wish
out.
for the clock.
Voting for any house answer will deduct points from your score.
No, I want the money to buy the clock.
No, I specifically want $100 so I can buy it.
I can get the clock for you. I can save you time.
Oh, that was Daisy.
I-
Okay, all right.
I need the eShop points, okay? Give me the money so I can buy it
Jesus Christ.
myself.
Daisy, I feel bad. I feel like you
All
should
right.
have got at least a couple more of those points.
Luck of the
Ethan,
draw.
which one was yours,
Man,
Ethan?
Mine was the Infinite Wishes one.
Oh, okay, all right.
So I guess
I thought
IKEA
the-
was the house
Yeah.
answer.
Okay, yeah.
I thought the duck song would have got to be something.
Oh. Oh.
I like that we're all very focused for this one.
Yeah.
Who can make the best version of the only joke
I know,
that could
right?
possibly be made in this
Let's find
circumstance?
out.
What are you
Here's
talking
what you
about?
wrote.
There's more than
Let's
one joke
see.
to be made here. Ebenezer Scrooge becomes Ebenezer Splooge. Okay. Violently nutted after buying the Nintendo Alarmo. Okay. Oh no, I've missed the little cup. Miss Nurse, how do I get it back in the cup? Local man should have grabbed a second tissue. Ooh.
Sometimes one's not enough.
Stupid outfit ruined.
Oh.
Yeah. Me after I get...
You don't need to read that.
Whatever.
Yeah, okay.
Vote for your favorite answer. But watch out for house answers.
Damn it, I want to vote for the one that I'm pretty sure is the house answer.
You know what?
Honestly, I wanted to as well, but I didn't because
You know
I
what?
thought there might be a punishment, and I think there is now after what they
Okay,
just
I'm
said.
down to go in the negatives. It's fine.
Nah,
It's
I'll vote for the house answer. I've got
Here's
enough
how you
points.
voted.
Wow, that's a
Oh,
flex,
never mind.
dude.
Yeah.
Please tell me. Okay, good. That wasn't house answer.
This is obviously the house answer.
That was the house answer, huh? Well,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you guys not know?
Jesus.
I felt
Do
I
you
needed
guys not
it.
know that was the house answer? I thought that was so obvious.
I thought Daisy's was the house
Mothers
answer.
and doctors alike love the warm
Really?
output of.
Hey, the house answers can get surprisingly clever. Okay. Let's see, I don't care if there's a sale. I simply won't buy clothes from a store called blank.
I'm not particularly proud of that one. Morally or funnily.
I'm particularly proud of the way you spelled your name today, Daisy.
Here are your answers.
Okay. Speedos. Down by the beach. Birthday Suits Incorporated. Very nice, very nice. No clothes.
That feels like a house answer.
Hey, do you want to go to no clothes for your school shopping? The soup store?
What?
Why are you buying clothes at the soup store?
Fuck you!
Forever 3.5. Yeah. What the no.
Time to vote for your favorite. Pick a
I know you
winner.
said you weren't proud of the answer, but I'm going to vote for it.
Are you sure?
I'm 85% sure that I just voted for the one that's yours.
I'm 15% sure it is.
15% is going to Speedos. Or
Here's how
Speedos?
you vote.
I might have voted house. I might have voted house, I don't know.
River.
Damn.
Morning.
Hooray, I got some!
I didn't vote house.
Everybody's on the board.
Yeah, I was Speedos.
Oh my god.
Prepare to be dazzled.
See, the problem
in
is,
glorious 2D.
for
It's
most Americans, that's like a lemon
subtitles.
demon situation.
Yeah.
But it looks like Shirima doesn't.
Yeah.
Me hanging out with the boys for our barbershop quartet. I know that's a trio, but it's basically a barbershop quartet.
The fourth member's late.
I was a little tempted to do a house decoy, but I didn't.
It is kind of difficult to think of like a
Get
funny one for
Here's
that
what
one.
You came up
A little
with.
bit.
Too short.
This is why we never get laid. Yay!
Damn it!
I thought we escaped.
Damn.
Yeah?
The Netflix caption.
Hey, River, what's up?
Okay. Vote for your favorite answer.
River, you have mine. Because you continued my joke further, you can have it.
Let's see how you voted.
I'm feeling literal today.
It's so stupid. Fire.
Yeah, that's it. Way better than I thought it was
Nothing
gonna
for
be.
Alarmo?
That was so bad.
Nah, the
How
Alarmo
quickly
joke's played
we
out.
forget. How quickly we
I thought Alarmo was going to
That
steal the points
refuses to
there.
go beyond
Yeah.
the headlines.
But it
It's
did.
extra, extra.
Huh.
I could have done better, I think, but I didn't.
No, yeah, mine doesn't make sense, damn it.
We'll see about
that
that.
old reliable.
Here's what you wrote.
Okay. Breaking hips. Local woman breaks news. Hi, Ethan. What's up?
Old
Should
reliable.
know.
Super Granny gets up in the morning thanks to Nintendo's cereal. Hi, Maddie.
Welcome.
Hi, Maddie.
Grandma after watching Romeo and Juliet 2 Sherlock Gnomes. Local old model poses for JFK Memorial.
Okay then.
80-year-old woman miraculously gives birth to 30-year-old man.
Oh.
Pope turns to woman and loses hat. Curses at God.
Vote for your favorite answer.
You know what? When a joke works, it works.
So are we still in the first game?
Yep.
Yeah. You can join mid-game, though.
Yeah.
I think I might have voted for House,
I'm afraid that was a house answer.
I did.
Yep, there you go.
It was worth it though. I did like that one.
He got it back. Hooray!
Hey, like I said, you don't mess with the classics.
Yep.
And now for the latest in obsolete technology, it's Blank-O-Matic.
Alrighty.
I'll blink Euromatic.
I don't know how to say this, so I'm just gonna say it. Blank.
Enter that one Family Guy clip.
Genital warts.
I wasn't thinking about that one. I was thinking the one where Peter goes, "Really? I'm nobody's gonna say it. I'm gonna be the one that has to say it."
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Then he says genital warts.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Maddie's not in
And
yet.
here's what you came up with.
Charlie Brown knows our addresses. He's climbing through our walls as we speak. We're so fucked. Please help. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Hey, I did it. Okay, alright. Alright, game. Alright, game. You're getting a little sus here with these house answers. Oh my god.
Topical.
So I'm just gonna say I don't know how to say this.
Vote for your favorite answer.
Thank you, Scatman John.
Scatman John.
Scatman can do it, so can you. Head on down to Scatland.
God damn it, Charlie Brown.
Let's see how you voted.
Do you guys know that Charlie Brown is Casper or something? That fun fact really freaked me out the first time I
Yo,
read it.
no way.
Thank you, Sticks.
It made me brown the first time I knew Charlie Brown was Casper.
Get ready for our grand finale, the lightning round we call Survey Says. In Survey Says,
really
all
can't
point
use my
values
words.
are doubled. You'll
Man.
be shown 3 prompts in a row, but you only get 60 seconds to write an answer
Words are
for each
overrated.
one.
Use
So go with
numbers.
your gut. Here's your first prompt.
Alright, what's our first prompt? Well, that certainly is a prompt. That certainly is a prompt. This is definitely the prompt of all time.
Oh! Hold on. Can I see my spelling right?
15 seconds left.
I did! Okay, cool.
Here's your second prompt.
Brand of toilet paper you wouldn't buy.
I'm making some wonderful strides.
Here's your third and final prompt. Make it a good one.
Alright.
Huh.
Here's
I don't know if
what
this
you
counts
wrote.
as a biblical proverb, but it's
My
something.
last one doesn't at all. Mine doesn't.
I need to answer Elton John. Please clap. Okay. Okay. It's only me, my bare naked ladies. Okay. I can't get no satisfaction. Very nice. I'm a dick. I'm addicted to you. Twist by Chubby Checker. Okay. Soft and wet. Of course.
Is that a song?
It probably is.
Vote for your favorite.
I'm gonna vote for a testicular portion.
Oh my god. No comment.
You twist me upside down.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's see what you weirdos wrote.
Alright. Nintendo brand of $20 for 5 rolls? Ridiculous. Asbestos.
Love that the energy always dies when there's a house.
Brown paper, we promise it's unused. Poopyrus. Poopyrus.
Similar vibe.
Nintendo alarm. That's not a toilet paper.
Someone already made a better
There's
version.
also not a brand.
Charmin Ultra Hard Sandpaper Toilet Paper.
I thought the
Vote for
acronym
your
would be
favorite
something there, but it's
answer
just
now.
us.
I'd also like to point out that Nintendo Alarmo isn't a brand, it's a product.
But if they,
Look,
what would they call it if they did make toilet paper?
look. All I'm saying is that in the next free, look. All I'm saying is the next free update, they will make Nintendo Alarmo a toilet paper.
Get ready. Here's what you came
That's
up
true.
with.
There are.
Yeah, I could see that.
A proverb. Practice not the 5-second rule with eggs or soft cheeses.
No,
Thou shalt not purchase a fucking $100 alarm clock that spies on you. I jorked it, therefore I came. Thou must licketh before thou sticketh. Pee pee poo poo, Lucas. Roses are red, violets are blue. I don't give a fuck. Why do you?
Okay, vote for your favorite answer.
Oh my god, I'm torn between the middle two.
I'm not.
yes. I say yes.
Alright,
Let's see how you voted, shall we?
let's do it.
If I get even one vote, I'll be surprised.
Oh dear, that was a house
was a house
answer.
answer.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Minus 500 for.
Cry.
Oh,
I'm gonna violently cry.
nice. Testicular torsion, baby.
Testicular torsion.
Hooray!
Okay.
That one was quite good. Really?
Really?
Poo
That-
Pirates
yeah,
was clever. That was
I knew
clever.
it was those two. I knew it was those two.
That was a good
Hooray, a
one.
little bit.
Yeah!
Alright, River.
Definitely the best one.
Ejaculation
River.
for the win!
Not
That is the
last.
first time you'll ever say
And
that.
the winner is...
Ejaculation for the win.
Not last.
Congratulations.
Not last.
And thanks for playing.
You pull ahead entirely because of Adam Sandler. 3-2, 2-6.
See you next time.
Yes!
Damn.
Oh
I'm
my.
where I belong.
32-26.
Yeah, you
That's
held
what I
your own
think.
the most of the time, but then Adam Sandler really brought it home.
Yeah.
Adam Sandler's the reason I voted for it, honestly.
Yeah, we should put Waterboy references in next round.
What do you think? What do you think Adam Sandler says when he ejaculates?
I don't know and I don't want to know.
The Click 2006. That's what he says.
These have been
No,
eight
the Quick
crazy
10-6, that
of my
makes a lot of
life.
sense.
Thank you guys for watching. Use your words.
I'm gonna
Goodbye.
throw a
These-
curveball.
these are
I
the
think
things
he
we
is
ask
dead
ourselves,
silent
guys.
during sex.
Yeah.
He is dead silent during sex. That's what I think.